Hey you guys, happy Thursday. Yeah, happy Thursday. I'm always forgetting to turn my phone down, y'all. But how are you all doing on today? Yes, it is Thursday. So, got some things that I need to get done around here today. My oldest daughter and her husband and 3 kids are coming to spend Mother's Day weekend with me. With us, but with me because it's Mother's Day. And my son-in-law's mother lived 5 minutes away, so they'll also be spending Mother's Day with her as well. But anyway, coming down, I need to refresh the room. So I most definitely need to go in there and kind of straighten up, you know, tidy up. I don't think since the last time I washed the bed linen that they got on the bed or anything like that. So I don't think I have to wash the sheets or anything like that because I think that's good. Oh, and I wanted one more thing I wanted to share with y'all. Y'all know I always share my vitamins and health tips because on this channel, if you're new to this channel, welcome. To my new subscribers, thank you so much to my old subscribers. This is some oregano, oil of oregano. I heard this was really good for like your lungs and things like that. Now I've had COVID in the past. I think I've had COVID since it existed. I think I've had it about 3 times. I had it the first time I had it in 2021. I did not get it in 2020 when it first came out. 2020 when they shut everything down. I ain't get it to the following year, 2021. But I swear, between 2021 and 2023, I done had it 2 more times after that. So I think I could tell a difference in my breathing and in my chest area, my lungs. And some say that once you get it, like your lungs and stuff, like just hardly never recover. I don't know if that's true, but the way that I feel, I kind of believe that that may be true because I could just tell a difference in my breathing. I know the last 2 times I had it, it was hard for me to catch my breath. Fatigue and just breathing was hard for me. I don't have no issues with breathing now, but I have issues with like rattling, like chest congestion or something. It's almost as if it's like it never went away. And every so often I get like this smoker's cough. I don't smoke. I never smoked cigarettes, ever, ever, ever. I don't live around anybody who smokes cigarettes. So I don't know why I have that, but I am going to the doctors. And but in the meantime, I've been doing some research and everything, and I heard that oil of oregano is good for that. And so what I tend to do is I just got it last week, and it says to drop 6 drops in a glass. You have to dilute it. Drop 6 drops in a glass of water. Well, I tried it, and I love oregano seasoning on my food, my salads, subs, cooking my spaghetti or whatever else, right? I don't like it in the water. Ain't good. It tastes nasty. Yeah, it tastes nasty. I don't like it. But I'm going to use it because if it's going to help me, I'm going to suck it up, right? Right. So with that being said, this time I have some coconut water. I drink coconut water. I'm going to dilute it in the coconut water because the regular water, So I'm going to do that right now. So we're going to drop 6 drops of this into the coconut water, and I'm going to see if that's going to help with the taste of it being nasty, right? So y'all just bear with me. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So let's drop these 6 drops in here and see what it do. Okay? And see what it tastes like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It's very strong. I'll swirl it around a little bit. Swirl it around. Okay. So now that we've swirled it around, let's see what this tastes like. So I can still taste the oregano. Honestly, it does help. Now, it said water, and even though this ain't regular water, it's coconut water, so I hope it doesn't take the effects of it away. It shouldn't, but it said it had to be diluted. I can do this. It's like a hint of oregano, as opposed to with the water is just a strong taste. Even with the 6 drops, it's a strong taste. So I most definitely say that I can do that. I can like that better. So you do that 1 time a day, and it's supposed to help clear your lungs, build your lungs back up and all that stuff. And I should have been got this because I've been feeling like this now for a minute, and it just seemed like it was getting worse. So yeah, we'll see how this works. This is my 3rd day. I missed yesterday, but this is my 3rd day. So I will let you all know how this works. I'll do a check-in maybe in a few weeks to let you all, you know, to kind of give an update or a review on how I think it has helped me. And do I no longer hear the rattling in my chest when I breathe and when I cough and all of that stuff, okay? So got a lot to do today, got a lot to cover, so let's get into it. I will be back when it's time to get started. Okay, here is the guest bedroom that my daughter and her husband sleeps in when they come. As you see, the bed is looking crazy. I think that I don't know if they've gotten in this bed. I don't believe so, because I think I made my daughter wash the linen, and I think she was the one who made up the bed, and that's why it looks like that, now that I remember correctly. Anyway, backstory on this bedroom. This bedroom used to be my husband's and I bedroom before we added on the master suite that we now sleep in. This home we had built, I think I told y'all the backstory of our home. And we had our home built in 2001. Yeah, we had our home built in 2001, and it was just a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And we had an addition of a master bedroom, so now we have 4 bedrooms. So this used to be our old master bedroom. Where this wall is, it used to not be a wall right here. That wall was added when we added on because we had to move our bathroom that was at the end, that was in our room. The doorway that I just walked in, I'm gonna swing it around right quick. This doorway right here, how you enter the room, was the doorway to our bathroom inside of our bedroom. And so we had to, and then on the front side of that was our regular bathroom, which was on the front side of that it's hard to explain. However, we had to move it, so that's where this wall ended up coming up, being built there. So anyway, let's get back focused on what we was talking about. Just wanted to give you a backstory on this room. It used to be our old bedroom. So as you see, my daughter, she's not, yeah, that's another story. Some laundry, that is some bed linen that needs to be washed. This is what she did. She caught herself making the bed, and she really didn't clean up in here like I told her to, because if you look at the nightstand, that's her stuff on the nightstand. Some of it. I think the other stuff is my husband's. We all come in here from time to time, but my kids, the only time me and my husband come in here is if most of the time if one of us gets sick. If one of us get real sick, like COVID sick or flu type sick, mostly he'll be the one to come in here. That's some more linen. I don't know if that's clean or not. That came out of my daughter's room. But yeah, and that's a bench. So I just need to tidy up in here. Y'all excuse me how I look. But anyway, yeah. That's a mirror that I put on the wall. But yeah, so it needs to be tidied up in here. Because they will be down tomorrow evening, and I want to have the room nice and fresh for them. So I'm gonna check with my daughter just to make sure that she actually washed the linen on the bed, and probably just straighten it up and get those extra pillows off the bed. But I believe that she did wash the linen, because I think I remember telling her that, because she was the last one in here. And I was like, make sure you wash that linen before you make the bed back up. And I think she said she did, but I'm gonna double check just to make sure. And tidy up in here, and then I guess we'll get started on the pantry. Okay. All right, you guys, so even though I've checked with my daughter, she did wash the linen, so everything on the bed is clean. However, she ain't make it to my liking, so I'm gonna strip the bed. Or I ain't gonna say strip the bed, I'm just gonna remake the bed. So I ain't gonna say strip, but I'm gonna remake the bed. The linen is already clean. I'm just gonna remake the bed so it could look a little bit more presentable. Outside of that, the only other thing I gotta do in here is do a little dusting and vacuuming, and that's it. You know, I just had to clear the stuff off the bed and clear this stuff over here, wash the stuff that was on the floor, and like I said, just tidy up to make the room look more freshened. So we'll get to that. All right.